Hey guys, check this out. The Holy Stone HS420. It's right inside this box. Let's get into this. Alright, here it is out of the box, and look at that. It even has a camera on it right there. You can see it. You tilt it. It's got the manual tilt function. There's the power button there. Here's where the batteries go in. They give you three batteries. Not one, not two, but three. That's how you slide them on and off. You just push them like that. You get a transmitter. Right here it is. Holds the phone. There's the high and low speed button. There's the on and off button. Take off, land. The little spinoramas, the photo and video, and it's got a little dummy button here for if it had automatic gimbal, but it don't. Just a mechanical gimbal. Not a gimbal, but a camera. You move it up and down. And you get 2 chargers, which is pretty nice. The QR code for the app is in the manual. And the app is called Holy Stone FPV. It's right there. That's what it looks like right there. So let's turn it on and bind it up real quick. Oh, push the battery on, right? Okay. There you go. Let's turn that on. So that's going to bind up. Let's look for the Wi-Fi signal. Holy Stone FPV. That's what it's going to say. It's connected. Let's go to the app. Go to enter device. Okay, it's going to want that. So there it is right there. It sees something. So there's the camera. Whenever you go into the app, it looks like it wants you to sign up for, you know, you have to make an account and all that, but you don't. Just hit that and then hit skip if you don't want to, you know, I'm not going to sign up and make an account to fly a toy quadcopter. So that's not going to happen. But, you know, you don't have to. They give you the override button on that. So let's turn the camera around and just take it off in the house here. And then we'll see how it flies indoors here. Let's do the level calibration, which we just did, which is down and to the right. Let me move the camera over here and tilt it up so we can see what the heck we're doing. I'm not going to record any video or anything in here. There's the rate. It has this little spinorama feature. Okay, so the red light is the rear. Okay. It just hit my leg. I'm getting it. Okay. I think it has this toss and go feature on here because I noticed when I did a little trial run on it, it kept wanting to take off all the time. Even after I landed it, mysteriously by itself, it would just take off. So it must have one of those toss and go feature things. That's what I'm suspecting. But the camera is working. I can see it moving around. See? You see how that just started all by itself? Yeah, that's a little odd. Yes, that is definitely a little bit on the odd side. Okay, I'm going to land it now. Yeah, so this is what happened the other day when I was just doing a little test on it. I landed it and it just took off on its own when I grabbed it. See that? Okay, so that feature must be in there somewhere. The toss and go. But, you know, it's not a feature I usually use. But, I mean, it's there if you want to use it. I did think that was kind of odd the other day when I was messing with it. And I I just dropped it and it took off, and I was like, yeah, what the heck's going on with that thing? But hey, it seems to fly pretty good. Let's take it outside, fly it, we'll check the video. All right, guys, we're out here with the Holy Stone HS420, and we're gonna get a little tryout on this video, on this camera, to see how that shakes out, and we'll check the battery life while we are at it. Let's get that app fired up, and there we go. I can see some picture. Yeah, seems to be okay. Why don't we take off? There's a flip. It was a little bit on the delayed side there. It really is struggling. It seems like it's riding in some kind of pattern or something. There goes that spinorama thing. So you turn that off just by hitting the button again. Okay, it seems to be a little bit better now. Let's get up in the air. I think it's probably more like an indoor type deal, my guess would be. Because it's not taking, there's a very slight breeze, as you can see that tree right there, see it moving? But it's affecting this thing, I can tell you that. There, it just ran into me. And it's gonna take off into the wild blue yonder. And there it goes. And am I going to go down there and get it? No. I don't think I am. All right, guys. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.
That's all, folks.